first of all start with the very important one, ROI of MBA. ROI or return on investment. See, in today's scenario, there are very heated debates. There are debates on various fronts that some people say investment in MBA does make sense. Some say it does not. So basically, first of all, what do we mean by return on investment? That when we invest some money into some project, into some enterprise, into something, and then whatever we earn out of it, that is called return on investment. We do it in share markets, we do it in properties. Now, one thing is very common, all of them or all of us invest somewhere and then we wait. It is not like the moment you buy a share, you start calculating the ROI. It is not like the moment we buy a property, we start calculating the ROI. We need to have some patience. Then why are we doing this in the case of MBA? We spend somewhere around 25 to 30 lakh rupees for our MBA, and then we try to judge the ROI by the very first placement itself. Now, even if I do so, there are plenty of B schools, MBA schools, which do justify their importance on this parameter as well. If I talk about the top B schools of our country, the fees of their entire course stands somewhere around, if I'm talking about the maximum as well, it stands somewhere around 26 or 27 LPA. But when I talk about the average package, not the highest one, they tend to be somewhere around 33 or 34 LPA, lakh per annum. The thing is, when we compare MBA's ROI with other courses, I have seen this in my own personal experience that we generally compare them with institutes like IITs. We compare them with institutes like AIMS. Now the problem is that when you compare your ROI for IIT with the ROI of MBA college, IITs are very subsidized. So whatever fees a student pays over there, it is not the actual cost of that course. And that is why that ROI, there is a huge gap between that. But when we talk about MBA, the actual ROI is not just the salary. It is also about the career acceleration. What I mean by that is, MBA helps you to compress your career trajectory from 8 to 10 years to probably 3 to 5 years. Once you do your MBA, you unlock your chances to get into mid-management roles. You unlock your chances to get into strategy level roles. Now that is the ROI of MBA.